Hello, everyone. Before I share this information, I want you to know that it has been verified by mechanics who work in a friend's repair shop. First, a bit of context. This light means that the power steering system has a problem or has stopped working properly. Also, there's something you should know. If your steering is hydraulic, it indicates there's a problem with the fluid pressure or the hydraulic pump. This could be due to a low fluid level, a leak, a damaged pump, or a loose belt. If your steering is electric, the light warns that the electronic system that helps you steer has failed, or that the module has detected an anomaly in the sensors, voltage, or electric motor. It's worth noting that when the light flashes, it usually means the battery voltage might be low. It could also be caused by a sensor giving strange readings, or sometimes moisture or dirt in the connectors. If the light stays on constantly, it's a clear sign that the system has disabled the steering assist. In these cases, the mechanics at my friend's shop say you should check the EPS module, make sure the battery charge is supporting the alternator, and in some cases, there may be a problem with the torque sensor. One very important recommendation is that many times you just need to disconnect the battery for a few minutes or clean the connectors, and the light will stop flashing. But if it comes back, then it's time to inspect the system more thoroughly.